Welcome to Czech Your Day, the daily podcast with Renča, aka your guide through the jungle called Czech. We spend 5 minutes from Monday to Friday to get better at one topic in Czech. Hello, welcome. Today we will have a look how we actually say I like, I don't like. I hope you will find this episode really helpful. I like. Mám ráda pomeranče. Mám ráda meloun. Mám ráda černý rybíz. Mám ráda mandarinky. Mám ráda meruňky. Mám ráda jahody. Mám ráda hrušky. Mám ráda borůvky. Mám ráda švestky. Mám ráda ostružiny. Mám ráda granátová jablka. Mám ráda kiwi. Mám ráda jablka. Mám ráda jabka. Informal. This is so cool. That's what I love about this podcast because I can show you how we say it in real life. That means what kinds of fruit we prefer to use in singular and which of them in plural, so that you can really sound like a native. Since I love all kinds of fruit, I will talk about Michal, so that number 1, you learn how to say I like when a male person is saying it in Czech, and number 2, you get the chance to also learn how to say I don't like. So listen carefully, and if you need, you can check the handout as well. Co má a nemá rád Michal? Michal má rád pomeranče. Michal má rád meruňky. Michal má rád borůvky. Michal nemá rád granátová jablka. Michal nemá rád černý rybíz. So, if the person who is talking is a male and he wants to say that he likes something, he will say mám rád. If it's a woman, she says mám ráda. The same goes for when you talk about somebody that he likes, then it will be má rád. If you want to say she likes, then you will say má ráda. Easy peasy. And I have 2 really useful phrases for more advanced learners. Check it out in context. The first one is I like, but he doesn't. And I like, and he likes too. Já mám ráda granátová jablka, ale Michal nemá rád granátová jablka. Já mám ráda černý rybíz, ale Michal nemá rád černý rybíz. Já mám ráda pomeranče a Michal má také rád pomeranče. Já mám ráda meruňky a Michal má také rád meruňky. Mňam. This is awesome. It brings me so much joy. So, let me know if you find this kind of episodes helpful And also let me know what kinds of fruit you like and you don't like. Mějte se hezky, ahoj!